This goes out for all the saints. Hey, Courtney, what up? Hey. Hey.
Ride with me. Yeah. Look, I done came to the islands and I found me a diamond. Show that she shining, bad little ting. I might give her the ring, put her on a big screen. I know the saints feel me, and we chasing our dreams. I hate it can't stop me, no they can't block me. Excuse me, cause I'm cocky and I'm chilling with Courtney.
Hi beautiful saints, welcome back to another video. So today we are talking about skincare. This video is for people with acne prone skin. Skincare for me starts within. I believe a healthy outside starts from the inside. If you keep putting junk food in your body will turn into junk. So always make sure you are replacing junk food with something nutritious. Now, I know you guys constantly hear this all the time, and I'm going to be the one to say it over and over again. So whatever you put into your system, you are going to see it on your face and also your body. You are what you eat. Every 35 days, I don't know if you guys knew this, but your skin actually replaces itself. Your liver, about a month. So your body makes new cells from the foods that you eat. What you eat literally becomes you. So you have a choice in what you are made of. Okay, let's get started with acne. Acne comes from excess oil production, hair follicles clogged by oil, and also dead skin cells. It's also bacteria from our hands and throughout the day, so that's why it's so important not to touch our face. Hormones can also cause acne as well. A lot of people may not know this, but Streptococcus, that causes acne. That's actually a bacteria that occurs along a single axis in our body. They tend to form pairs or change. So this specific bacteria is responsible for cystic acne and actually sits inside our lymphatic system. Now, I know I'm saying a lot of big words, but I really want to be specific with you guys. Now, some of you may ask, what is the lymphatic system? Basically, the lymphatic system is a network of tissues and organs. It helps rid the body of toxins and waste and unwanted, germs or materials. Now, the primary function of the lymphatic system is to transport lymph. That's a fluid containing infection-fighting, white blood cells throughout our bodies. Celery is actually not a veggie, it's an herb. And I actually got this from Medical Medium. If you guys do not follow him on Instagram, I think you guys should totally go follow him. But what we put into our bodies, it really determines a lot. So celery juice helps restore our stomachs. I do drink about 32 ounces of celery juice each day. So that's about 16 ounces, twice a day. Now, every single day, toxic heavy metals, it can get into our body. So every day, like the chemicals we smell, it can be candles, it can be like, when we go to the gas station, wall fragrances, all these contain chemicals and toxins which can cause acne breakouts. So 16 ounces of celery juice twice a day is extremely critical for our bodies. Celery juice actually breaks down old rancid fats and proteins. All these things are caked up along the lining of our intestinal tract. So drinking celery juice helps travel along our veins and into our liver for healing and breaks down old toxins in our bodies. Celery juice is good for the skin because it has a high percentage of water and electrolytes. So it can improve overall hydration. Celery juice helps purify our skin and it helps become clearer. It's also full of vitamins that helps our body produce collagen and therefore can help maintaining younger looking skin. So celery, it is rich in vitamins and minerals. So you'll enjoy vitamins A, K, and also C. So instead of trying all these skin remedies that you see on YouTube, try taking better care of your insides first by putting the vitamins and minerals it actually needs and watch your skin improve drastically. I guarantee you, if you are struggling with acne, try drinking celery juice for 1 full month twice a day. I have been actually drinking celery juice for about 2 whole months, almost every single day. And guys, I've seen a drastic change, not only in my energy, but also my skin. Okay, I have actually not had a single breakout. I promise you guys, you will not regret it and your skin will definitely thank you for it. Like I said, guys, you are what you eat, and clear skin, it's so worth it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.